Hi, welcome back. Hope you had a chance to look through or look through later. And hopefully, what we shared with you was a good overview of what was new with a little bit of explanation of why, and hopefully some ideas of what math looks like in the world around us. Just a little bit here to share the curriculum context. Our front matter that tells us the what and why of the curriculum has a section called role of parents. There's 3-4 paragraphs there. I just chose one to share with you here, so I'll just read that to you. More importantly, parents are an integral part of their children's interactions and experiences with mathematics. Having a positive attitude towards mathematics and developing self-efficacy are important elements of students' achievement of the expectations and of all future mathematics learning. By demonstrating a positive attitude towards mathematics and by speaking positively and often about mathematics, parents can show their children that mathematics is enjoyable, worthwhile, and valuable. Parents can encourage their children to cultivate perseverance when solving problems, to acknowledge difficulties, to believe they can succeed in math, and to build their own self-confidence and sense of identity as mathematics learners. So no matter your own experience in math, keeping it positive for your children is definitely an important part of your role in supporting them. And we have a few ideas for you. Another resource we wanted to share, just to be clear, this resource is it's from the old curriculum. The ministry has not updated it yet. I don't know if they will, but it is a great resource. It's called Doing Mathematics with Your Child. If you search Doing Mathematics with Your Child Ontario, you will find it. But one of the reasons we like it is it's available in many different languages. And so the same activity here, you can get the same activity in a separate language. And so that may help you in your house. Engage your kids and have different conversations with them. This, and also to share too, this is designed kindergarten to grade 6, this particular resource. And so the image on the left is an example they have for primary. The image on the right was an example they had for junior. So you'll see different difficulty levels of the questions and different aspects of where they're going with it. So again, just a great resource if you're looking for something else. If we came down to it and we just said, you know what, Eric, you got to help me. What do I do? How do I help? And so this really, I hope, is it. It's sort of what it said in the section in the curriculum as well. But have that positive attitude, speaking positively, encouraging children to persevere when solving problems. But I did want to also help you with the other part. The other question that I know I get is, when my child doesn't understand their work, what do I do? How do I help them? And so we just wanted to say, we don't expect, your job is not to teach your child grade blank math. If they come home and they don't know what to do, these are some questions we think you could ask, right? We want kids to think about their thinking. We don't want you to feel that pressure of, how do I do that? What's Pythagorean theorem again? I don't remember. We got to search that. You don't need to do that. You can send that message to the teacher, or the student can say, I still don't get it. Help me. But you can help them think about their thinking. And so a lot of times, parents who have tried these questions, this has helped a lot of students a lot of the time, right? What are you trying to figure out? What's confusing you? How can I help? Have you solved a problem like this before? Let's look at it. What have you tried? What else could you try? I know for me, the one I like to use a lot, my kids are annoyed with me by now that I use it, but what does it look like? Like, draw it, represent it. If you draw it, then I'll be able to think about what it looks like, and you'll be able to think about the problem. So just an idea. But if there was one, just me, play. Like, math is play. You learn so much about math and reasoning and thinking through playing games, right? Play the games you have in your house. Don't think you have to go out and get these games. These are just the games that I picked to share, because all games are helpful with thinking. And talk about the strategies you use when you play that game. So help your kid with their math homework, play some games, and talk, and have that connection. And you know what, the games you play create memories that people hold with them forever. And so I can look at some of the games on the board, and I'm connected to people who I don't get to see anymore for different reasons. So they really are special in different ways. Thank you. Any feedback, any questions, please ask. Please email. We will do our best to get back to you. And that's it. One last thing, though. I decided, it's like, okay, I have this video. If you were in my last PIC conference, I'd shared it too. It's sort of a 1.5 minute video, and I hope it even gives you one more thing to think about, how you can engage with your child with developing their thinking when you're at home. So a last little thing, and then that'll be it. Thanks so much for attending. Hope you got something from it, and I hope you feel like you have something that you can use with your child as well.